Active military and veteran service members can leverage their military training to earn college credit with prior learning assessment at Miami-Dade College. Accelerated degree completion. As a military service member, you've acquired valuable knowledge and skills through your training and experiences. By participating in a PLA program, you'll earn academic credits for prior learning, fast-tracking your degree completion and potentially reducing the time needed to earn your degree. Maximize military training. Veterans often possess extensive and specialized training gained during their military service. PLAs allow you to translate this training into college credit, ensuring that your skills and expertise are acknowledged and valued within the academic context. Save on educational costs. Earning college credits through PLAs can lead to significant cost savings. By receiving credit for skills and knowledge already mastered during your military service, service members and veterans may avoid the need to take certain courses, reducing tuition and related expenses. This can be especially helpful for those using military-related education benefits like the GI Bill. Start by submitting your Joint Services Transcript, or JST, which contains your record of military training and experiences. As part of the Florida College System, MDC will evaluate your transcripts and award credit in accordance with approved post-secondary course equivalencies. Don't stop there. Sometimes your valuable experience is not reflected on the JST. In that case, depending on your major, you can craft a comprehensive portfolio discussing your military experiences. In addition to your written narrative, you'll be asked to provide other documentation such as awards, certificates, and letters of recommendation to illuminate the skills and knowledge cultivated during your service. Get started by enrolling at MDC. For more information, visit MDC's Office for Veteran and Military Services at mdc.edu/veterans.